My able viewers, now good afternoon. No. How na day dey go now? Hope na day fine. No. I don't come again. No. Now you be all the way from Delta State. Today issue, what we want to talk about? Now about relationships and marriages. Somebody they tell me today, we dey together say, bobo, her fiancé. We say they won't marry, we dey tell her say won't marry him. No, they even they call him. So they go dey like this, after they go dey 3 days, you never call him. You never ask am say how far. If she no call, you no go call. If you can't call, you say, now why you know they call me now? You go say, sorry, I be say I won't call in the evening before. Waiting bad if you call me for money. Na bad thing. Another one again, when come to tell me again, say, get one of your friend wey dey close to her. Say if the husband come from work in the morning, when I work, you go Lagos, maybe if you come back in the morning, children go and say, Daddy, good evening. Yeah. Now the papa come dey vex, say which kind to be that one? Say why the children go like Daddy, good evening? Now wife say, if you touch my pikin, if you touch my children, you see what I go see. Why? Because the man no dey stay house. From Monday till Friday, you know they stay house. Saturday supposed to be with the children, and Sundays, you know go day. The next morning, you go to come back. So the children, they feel say maybe those afternoon, those time when they day for house, so with the morning, you join together. So if they come the next morning, they will tell us say Daddy, good evening. So what I want to talk about is to say communication for marriage or relationship matters a lot too. Seriously. Because you know they communicate with the children, you don't lose misunderstanding don't even day for that one already. You don't get relationship with your children. You go work, come back the next day. They say one of the daughters said even sick when they go hospital. When they admit at the hospital, when they say, this pikin need blood, where the father did. Now the mama they ask where the papa did, the pikin answer and say, my daddy don't used to come back from work on time. He used to come back in the midnight. Then the next morning, you will not see him again. After telling him good morning, till the next morning again. You don't disgrace the man for answer and the wife with that. So the mother open my says speaking, go kill you. Which kind to be this one? What you would they try to talk now? Be say as a married couple, communication is supposed to be between you and your husband and your children. Then as the ones who never married, they see the relationship. When they communicate, so that they get to know each other. Not because we don't enter inside marriage finish, you go to regret say, God, this marriage I'm not supposed to enter. I'm not supposed to do this. So why the marriage can't they boring like this? Communication no day. That chemistry no day. The chemistry no day. Some they start the relationship and you go overlook and say na normal thing, no mean anything, till they enter marriage, you're going to suffer. And why some self they don't show them good. When the marriage starts, once they enter the marriage, they don't forget everything with that. They will just come back to no romance, nothing, no communication, no chemistry. Your partner is supposed to be your gossip mate. It's supposed to be, yes. It's supposed to be your gossip mate. They're supposed to do things together, they talk together, they carry anything together, do anything together. Even your children, you can't stay close to them. One man can say, they ask for your children. No. If you begin one look like this, if you look at eye like this, the begin will not say yes. If papa they wait sinaba like that, not like that. So I beg, I feel beg us to say, make communication day our marriages, make communication day our relationship. Communicate with your spouse, please. Communicate with your fiancé, whatsoever, girlfriend, boyfriend. No one they communicate. If not say yes, I want the relationship to the next level. Not be say you go just day. You go just day. Anytime you feel like you call the person. If communication not there, I would say a non-communicating relationship is a dead one. Yes, care. If none of the communicate for relationship, how the thing want take? How did this thing? How the thing want? You don't yourself as in the other this thing go. You go dead down now. You don't go the switch to one even do self. So I beg, they beg us for our marriage, make communication day. Within our children, make communication day. Draw them close, near body, so that if they get anybody that abuse them for us or they get anything they do them for us, they go feel open up, tell you, talk to you. What's the who I in the day house, who I give them as a father or as a mother? If they won't talk, they go fear you to even talk. They don't go feel open up, give you. That means so many things they happen to them. They will go join things they're not supposed to join. Can't carry wahala, can't give you what you did for your house. So my advice will say, I beg, may we get communication for relationship, for marriage, make communication go. So that this one will be a better thing. Because so many things that happen around us. I beg. And they beg us. May we communicate with our spouse, communicate with your partner. Anyone we say get anything, we make a relationship. We just want communication, just date there. Make that intimacy dey there. Make una try do things together to make relationship work. Like, we not say yes. I just one of my friends today concerning this issue. I was like, when I was in a relationship, then we never married, we started a relationship. Before money go, before as they just be like that, text and the answer and they see for my phone. Hey babe, how was the night? Oh my diva, all that. And my head go the big. Even if the person, even if I lie, they lie for me. If they make my head the big, they sweet me. Yes. We women, they move by what we they hear. Yes. Men, they move by what they see, but who they move by what they hear. So they say all those romantic things to your spouse or to your partner is a very good one. So you go motivate them to say yes. This even if not lie, God knows say at least. To make her feel okay, say, see, I be see. If God see your sincerity, say you really didn't want to enter this relationship, even the person deceive yourself, God will still make her work for you. So when I try to talk, we say, make love day between us as spouse, relationships, more show ourselves love, text messages, give us text messages as women, say things that will blow our head. I want to 1 year be that one. Even if you not lie, tell us one that we like the lie, tell us the lie. We like her. Some people go to say they don't agree this one with me. But that is just the truth. Because that time they say me those tests, but they go they switch me say, see, I go they feel as if yes, I get person to say, he love me. He love me, yes. I don't really into this relationship. So please, let's try. Please, let's try and do that. And they beg una. And again, I beg una subscribe to this my YouTube channel. It no cost. I'm gonna just subscribe and beg una like, una comment. When I talk how we go take do for this relationship thing, when I get any suggestion apart from this when I talk, so you yourself you bring come. I remember Rachel all the way from Delta State. I beg, let's keep our relationship strong and going. Married or no married, I beg, we will try. God bless you all. One Nigeria. Bye.